Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is INTAN absent number 18 and from Science City. This time I'm going to give you some ways to make chocolate truffles. This is homemade chocolate truffles are extra creamy with the addition of butter. After mixing the 4 ingredients together, let the mixture set in the refrigerator and then cut into blocks. And let's get started. You only need to prepare materials such as 148 grams of sweetened condensed milk, 60 grams of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of butter, sprinkle Milo powder to taste. And you need to prepare some utensils such as a pan, spoon, plastic wrap, chopping board, knife, sieve, container such as plate. After that, you have to follow some simple steps to make chocolate truffles. First steps, pour the sweetened condensed milk into pan. And heat until foamy and a little boiling. Turn off the heat when little boiling. Sieve the cocoa powder in the pan, then stir until mixed. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and pour, then stir until mixed. Then pour mixture into plate covered with plastic and refrigerate until set or about 1 until 2 hours. After 2 hours, sprinkle cocoa powder in the chopping board so the truffles doesn't sticky. Take off mixture and peel the plastic, then put on the chopping board. Sprinkle cocoa powder in the truffles, so when cutting not sticky. Cut mixture into bite size or into a blocks. Put the truffles in the plate. Sprinkle Milo powder for topping. And finally, enjoy your truffles. That was how to make chocolate truffles. Thank you for watching and don't forget to try at home. Goodbye.